today we are having our tree planting sponsored by Energy Transfer and the Texas Trees Foundation. We're having about 60 trees planted around the perimeter of our playground to help with the noise pollution from the highway. It gets a little bit loud. We really want this to feel like a place where they are warm and invited to be out here and just be kids. The kids are also learning how to plant trees. They're learning everything from how the hole should be to how to remove the trees from the pots, how to break up the root balls, how to bury them properly so that they can absorb the maximum amount of nutrients and stay alive. Thank you to Energy Transfer and Sunoco for this opportunity. Our kids are going to remember this for the rest of their lives, and the impact of having these trees on our playground, we couldn't have done this without you.